contingent of the Meghalaya Police East Casino DEF. Dedicated to maintaining peace, protecting the community, and upholding the law, this contingent stands as a symbol of courage, discipline, and service. The saluting dice, this contingent with sharp precision and military bearing they rendered their salute to the chief guest under the platoon commander of Monostar Lindor. Following the first parade contingent is the Ramakrishna Mission NCC SD JD Boys contingent commanded by Nami Panjab Kupardhar. This contingent reaches the saluting dice, honoring the chief guest and the nation they pledged to serve. Now arriving at the saluting dice, we have the Ramakrishna Mission NCC, SW and JW Girls contingent under commander of Delhi Pasodor Founder. Showing precision, pride and commitment at every step. Next, the St. John Bosco Girls Higher Secondary School NCC marching towards the saluting dice with grace, discipline and confidence. The command of Ibansara Lindor Rentakiam. Approaching the saluting dice, the 2 Meghalaya Battalion NCC contingent Sora Government College, commanded by the Senior Under Officer Jason L. Khaturi, along with the placard holder Jeremiah Dindo, marching with pride, discipline and dedication to the service of the nation. Now arriving at the saluting dice, the NCC contingent from St. Peter and Paul Secondary School, Mabisi, under commander of Lieutenant M. Marat, bring vibrant energy and enthusiasm. Following them is the Adapting Secondary School contingent, led by Commander Palma Christie Sohra, with placard holder Palavi Riatam and flag bearer Mepan Prashant Tendenser, showcasing unity and dedication. Marching the saluting dice is the St. Peter and Paul Secondary School, Mabisi, Sora, led by Commander Wansaka Harmalki with placard holder W. Topkin and flag bearer Marvilla Kim. St. Peter's and Paul Secondary School, Mabisi and Sora, led by passing the saluting dice. Following closely, the 8th parade contingent is the Sora Government High Secondary School, Sora, led by Commander Madan Cooper Pumro with placard holder Eva Manthachisha M. Marat, flag bearer Rishan Stam Lindor. On reaching the saluting dice, this contingent offered the salute to the chief guest. At number 10, we have the parade contingent of Ramakrishna Mission Secondary School, Maumulu. Shira Presbyterian passing the saluting dice at number. The commander is Husni Nokram. Placard placard holder, Lydia Nungkrem, and flag bearer, the unit cars here. Now at the saluting dice is the St. Louis Secondary School commanded by Yevan Park Square, placard holder Vanilla Island, flag bearer Subankar Roy, stepping forward with grace, discipline and confidence. St. Louis Secondary School passing the saluting dice. Next, St. John Pasco Girls High Secondary School, NCC, marching towards the saluting dice with grace, discipline and confidence, under the command of Ivan Sarang, Mentor Rengatiang. Next, the Maurice Patrick King High Secondary School, Larinong, led by Commander Dapin Shishan Nongrum, with placard holder Erika Tinto and flag bearer Bachisha Bosan. Stepping towards the saluting dice in harmony with the spirit of independence. Following closely the 8th parade contingent is the Sora Government High Secondary School, Sohra, led by Commander Martin Cooper Pingrow. Placard holder Eva Manhashisha M. Mara and flag bearer Richard Sam Lindor.
Maurice Patrick.
Approaching the saluting dice, we have the Ramakrishna Secondary School, Maubulu. This contingent is led by Commander Rimiyaki Thaba with Emiliana Kanayor as a placard holder and Hani Kalan Salendo as a flag bearer. Approaching the saluting dice, we have the Shira Presbyterian Secondary School Boys contingent with Wanrika Khoramai as the commander, Lakpon Kashindi as the placard holder, and Pafneo Chimbutlang as the flag bearer. Approaching the